We are arriving at our latest project, the Restoration Salon in Andersonville, Chicago, Illinois. Come on with us.
Hi, I'm Tim. This is my salon, Restoration Salon. I found Abdullah, a great contractor, a year ago.
The whole structure with this project is the concept mainly, concept between the old and the new. The restoration is the name of the salon, and we connected the old with the new, and using raw material, natural material to make this project happen. One big thing is also delivering the vision that the customer, our clients, has by listening to what they want, listening to their needs, and make their vision come true and make it happen, and the end result make them really what they're looking for.
Energy of this new place. I can't wait to see what happens.
I love this.
We have used this lighting theme as an actual lumber looking with the vintage lights.
I love our lighting that we picked out with the wood beams, and then we juxtaposed it with an old-fashioned, very glamorous chandelier. Very glamorous, just like Abdullah.
Part of our restoration concept and the look of we try to achieve is exposing the actual plumbing copper with its nice welding and tie it to the rest of the project with its unique shelving system as well. Part of our restoration project is keeping the rough farm looking and connecting it with the new, the old with the new, the metal with the wood, and that's what we implemented in these jacket hooks, as simple as that, and the same thing with our product showcase as well, and transform it to our reception and tie it with the rest of the project. Beside everything we talked about as far as concept and design and vision and dream, what really also important and really our clients take in consideration is the time. It took us 8 weeks to finish this project, which was just 1 week before our proposed time that we needed to open. So time is very important to us and to our clients, and we take that very seriously.